This is the HOLLYLAND LARK A1 Mini. What's up guys, hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with an unboxing video for you guys. A very exciting unboxing video for you guys. I'm back after a very long time because I've been through some issues. I've been in a motorcycle accident in the recent past and I've been through recovery. I'm still recovering from it, but in my recovery phase I was doing a lot of research on audio and filmography and filming video and stuff like that. So I came across this and wanted to see how it is. This is the HOLLYLAND LARK A1 USB-C microphone, and I wanted to see how this sounds because I have one DJI mic that only connects to DJI products because I don't have the receiver for my DJI mic. So I thought I'll buy a USB-C type mic with a receiver that will connect to my iPhone too. Also it connects to the DJI products, but mostly filming on my iPhone is easy in public, and it's more safe to carry around than the Pocket 3 because Pocket 3 gimbal is kinda delicate, so you have to be really careful with the Pocket. And iPhone you can just throw in your pocket, and these are also small microphones which are easily transportable. So I bought this on Blinkit for like 4,099 rupees, and I'm right now unboxing this. This is the HOLLYLAND LARK A1 Mini, 2 microphones, 1 receiver, seals off. So it comes with some paperwork, and it comes with this pouch. Pouch feels nice, good quality. This is the charging dock and the 2 mics, which are small, concealable. This is the receiver. Some cables, mostly for charging. These are the windscreens. 2 windscreens too. So let's just unwrap these and see what's there in it. Starting with the receiver. So this is a USB-C type receiver. You can clearly see it's a USB-C type. It also has a small charging input to charge your phone, I think, while you're recording or filming. Quality is good, build quality. And this is the dock and the microphones. Pretty lightweight, easy to carry around, I think. So let me just hook this up to my iPhone, charge it first, hook it up to my iPhone, and see how the audio quality is compared to the DJI Mic 2. So I basically have the HOLLYLAND LARK A1 and the DJI Mic 2. So let's do a side-by-side comparison of how these 2 mics sound, and you'll get an idea about which is better. So this mic is a 4,000 rupees mic. You get 2 mics like this. This is a 10,000 rupees mic. You just get this microphone, the transmitter. I tried holding the LARK A1 close to my mouth, but the sound was really bad. It was distorting a lot, so I'm gonna just hold it at a distance. Right now I'm speaking to the HOLLYLAND LARK A1 and this is how it sounds. I'm gonna quickly switch to the DJI Mic 2. Right now I'm speaking with the DJI Mic 2 and this is how it sounds. I'm gonna switch back to the Lark A1 to have a side-by-side comparison. Now we are back on the HOLLYLAND LARK A1 and this is how it sounds. HOLLYLAND LARK A1 sounds like this. Gotta keep it at a distance from your mouth. Always remember that because I think it's built specifically to be a clip-on mic. Just clip it on and forget about it. So bringing it closer to the mouth distorts the signal and doesn't sound that pleasant. So keeping it at a distance is the best bet. But same time, DJI sounds good like this. Sounds good close up. Sounds good far. Sounds good up close. Sounds good far. Sounds good up close. DJI is much more superior. So this is to give you an understanding about how the Lark A1 sounds compared to the DJI Mic 2. This is a 4,000 rupees mic. You get two mics for 4,000 and this is a 10,000 rupees mic. So this is the difference between a 10,000 rupee mic and a 4,000 rupee dual mic.